Hi, this is Chris Kellett with MuseGrid.com, and we're going to look at the Outer Trek template and how we can change images on the homepage slider. So here we have the template open in Muse, and if we open up the homepage, we've got this nice slider here, and we can click on the composition here on the navigation, previous and next arrows, and we can scroll through, and we can also click through on these navigation dots here. Each image has got a rectangle sitting on top of it with text in it which you can modify, and then there's this larger text here. So let's go ahead and change one of these images. Let's take this image out and replace this. If we click into the slider, we get the little blue icon here to tell us that we got it selected. When we click through the slides, we can see that on the fill here, we can see a little icon, we can see a little thumbnail of the image here. If we click that open on the fill button here, we can see that it's showing us a preview of what that slide looks like. Let's go through to another slide and take a look there. So if you click on the fill here, let's click on the actual image rather than the navigation arrow. You can see the fill here, and it's showing us, and this is telling us that the image is actually made up of a background color and this image. So we haven't just placed a photo in there, we're actually using the image as a background image. Now the reason why we're doing that is to make it easier to then place this text on top. So to replace that image, we could just remove that one to start off with, then click on the little file icon here, and I've prepared one on the desktop, this lakes image here, and there we go, that's our image replaced. It's as easy as that. We've got it set to original size, so we've already setting the dimensions of these images, but if you have a larger image, you could set it to scale to fit or scale to fill, so that it'll take on the dimensions of the slider. And that's very useful when you're building a slider as well, or an image that you want to change the size of it, let's say in the mobile version. If you create a rectangle and use the image as a background fill, set to scale to fill or scale to fit, then you can resize the rectangle and the image will resize with it. So hopefully that's solved problems that some of you were having on how to change the background images there. Thanks for watching.